Oh, wait, Fernando. I'm still
Mm-hmm.
having that same problem where it's like you can't place them near each other. You know that we had
Yeah.
last time?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Today we're gonna solve it.
Okay.
Okay. So is everyone ready? Does everyone have their Unity open and have their project open? Again, you can just
I'm
download.
almost ready.
Okay. Again, you can just download my project and just open that. Hey, let me know if you have any questions before we move on.
How do you download it?
Download what?
How do you I downloaded the thing, but like, how do you like import it? Because I wasn't here last week, so.
So do you have Unity open?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you make a new program, a new project?
I mean, whenever I hold on.
Adrian, you only have to download the package. It says part 2. Just download part 2. I think that's what I called it.
It's installing right now.
Installing what? Unity is installing?
No, yeah, because I just got the Unity Hub thing.
Ah, I see. So that's actually going to take a while. Maybe it's going to take like 20 minutes. So yeah, just watch what we're doing then. Just let it install. And then whenever you're ready, I'll download my package again. And then I'll give it to you, and so you can catch up. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, are we ready, Reese and Adrian?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Mine's still downloading.
Still what?
Oh, mine's still like.
Is it still loading?
Not the project, just the stuff.
Downloading the thing from online?
No, I'm putting it into Unity.
Okay. Oh.
So it finished like the first install period, but it's like it's saying installing now. It should be saying like downloading or something.
Yeah, that means you installed Unity Hub, but you haven't installed a Unity version, a Unity editor. So that's what it's probably happening. It's probably installing that right now. Okay. So I'm gonna at least start so the other students can do stuff. So can do something. Sorry. So if you haven't edited your map, you can edit your map, or you can edit your sprites. You can look for sprites on OpenGameArt while we wait for the other students to get ready. Another thing is to fix this problem to fix the problem where we have the turrets overlapping each other. So for example, here I fixed mine. I can click on one, and then I can now build, you know, next to each other. The problem is every time we have a turret, let me drag this out. You have this circle collider that is affecting every time we make a raycast, because we're saying, okay, raycast and see if I'm hitting something. If I am hitting something, you can't build. So basically, we can't build on top of other turrets. Now, the way to kind of get rid of that problem is to separate both the collider and the art asset. So to do that, drag out your turret. Just have it out like this, just in the scene. No, okay. So to open packages, so let's. Where is it? Ugh, I have a bunch of junk. Okay, to open a package, let's just say this is the package you downloaded, right? So all you have to do is just click and drag your package inside your project. You have to make a new project. Okay, so once you have the new project open, just click and drag the tower defense in the project folder, and it's going to tell you, it's going to give you this preparing package, and it's collecting content. Okay, and then it's going to tell you what you want to import, and you just basically import everything, and you're literally going to have what I have in my screen.
If I downloaded your package from the Google Drive, is it already fixed?
Yes, it is fixed.
All right.
Yeah.
Also, for me, I placed them down, but they're not showing up. I don't know if there's a layer issue, but
yes, there is.
All right. So how would I fix that?
Hold on, let me just fix this problem first with the turret, and then we'll get to your layering issue. Yeah, just make sure you can just take a look at the order and layer and the sprite render, so you can see what's going on. Okay, so for the turret, like I said, just grab your turret. And what you're going to do is you're going to separate the turret AI and the circle collider. So basically, you're going to remove the art, and it's just going to be a circle, and it's going to have the turret AI. Okay, so just those two things. And then just make a empty game object, or empty as a child. And then add a component, add a sprite render, and then drag the art in the sprite again. And then add a box collider 2D. Okay, so then it's going to look something like this. Okay, so now this and this are now separate entities. Okay, what you need to do next is you need to change the layer of the where raycast. So you need to ignore a layer in order to raycast through. So the one we do care about, it's this one where we have the square, the box collider, because we don't want to build on top of. We don't want to build turrets on top of turrets. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave this layer on default. So it has to be default. Okay. Then we go back to the turret. And then in the turret, this is where we're going to have our different layer. So we're going to make a new layer. So click on layer, add layer, and then make a layer called turret. And then put that turret layer in there. And when it asks you to change only,
sorry. So my Unity wasn't loading up. So mine just loaded in. I just missed some stuff. What did we do so far?
Well, I just gave the link to everyone, so the ones that weren't here or haven't catched up, they can just download the Unity package and have that as their project right now. We're trying to fix the problem we had yesterday, Saturday before leaving, where we were placing the turrets and we couldn't place them next to each other.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
Okay. Can I? Because when I was doing it last week, I changed some stuff and it stopped working. So should I just wait, or should we fix it?
Yeah, I can help you fix it. Okay, so Adrian, did you download my stuff? And
Yeah.
And you can't place turrets?
No.
You can only place turrets on the. Oh, I see. I think your the properties of what you can place and can't place is changed. Okay. For Adrian to fix this, go to the main camera, and then one of the scripts is called spawn turret, and then see where it says map. Make sure it says grass tile map. And then does it say anything, or is it none, or does it say something?
It has a.
What was that? I can't hear you.
It has grass map, tile map inside of it.
And you still can't place it.
No.
Okay. Can you share your screen? Can you try clicking?
Yeah.
Nothing's going on.
No.
Okay. Can you stop playing? Okay. Can you go to where it says grid on the hierarchy?
Good.
Yeah. Can you click on the arrow to go down? So I can see there's children in there. Child. It has children. Yeah. Okay. Grass map and road map. Okay. Can you go back to your main camera? Can you click on where it says map and then grass map, tile map? Can you click on that so you can select what you're... Okay, that's that. What about your turret? Can you click on your turret? What is this for? Okay, this one looks wrong. Can you grab your turret from the project folder? Yeah, click that one and drag it out. Just place it anywhere. Yeah. Oh, this is my new one, I think. Can you look at the children in turret 1 on the inspector? Yeah. Can you click the child? Okay, it does look right. That's interesting. I think your order and layer might be... No, because it's not placing it. Can you click on turret 1? That's layer, that's turret. Oh, I see. I think turret is spelled with lowercase t. Okay, so can you delete that turret? Yeah, delete that turret. And then can you go to your script?
This one?
Spawn turret. Yeah. Can you open it up?
No. It's not opening up.
Is it not loading?
No.
Okay, if it's not loading, that just means it's a Unity problem. Okay, so just close Unity and open it up again.
It's loading. I see the...
Oh, it's loading. Okay. Oh, this is has it loaded? Can you check your other screens? Maybe it's loaded somewhere else.
No.
There we go. Okay. Let's go down. Okay. Scroll to the right. Okay. So you see where it says last mask, get mask, and it says capital T. Put that lowercase t. Yeah, and then save. Okay. Go back to Unity. Okay, just to double check, can you click on your turret again? The one on the bottom of the...
It's still loading.
Okay. Yeah, that one. Click on that one.
It's still loading.
Yeah, I know. You try clicking again. Nothing.
It's still loading.
Okay. Well, try it out again. I'll try to help someone else, and then I'll come back. Okay. While it's loading. Okay. Well, do you have a question, Reese?
Yeah. So the how again do I put the turrets on the top layer? Because right now they're spawning under the grass layer.
Okay, so you just click on the turret and just make sure one of the settings says on the sprite renderer it says order and layer, and then change it to 1. That's
Which turret do I click on?
the turret you're spawning, so the one on the project folder.
Okay.
If you want, you can share your screen. I can help you out.
Here I might be able to find it. And under sprite renderer, is that in the inspector?
Yeah. So once you click on your turret, the one on the project folder,
Yeah.
and then you'll see a sprite render. If not, then just click and drag your turret out into the scene. So just make a.
It is.
Okay. And just click on the child. It says turret defense _ tile sheet something. So then you have the sprite render there.
Oh, okay. And then I can change the order and layer on the tile sheet.
Yeah. What number does it say?
1.
It says 1.
Yeah.
Do you mind sharing the screen?
Yeah, I could do that.
Should I close this so it loads faster?
Should I what? Sorry.
Should I close this meeting so it loads faster and just come back in?
It's the same if you stay or not. Okay. No, that's 0. That's not 1. Oh, sorry. Never mind. Yeah, that is 1. Sorry, I was looking at something else. Yeah, that's 1. And then can you click on your turret? On the left hand, the parent, yeah. And can you click overrides? Wait, why is there? Hold on. Wait,
I just downloaded the package.
Okay, why is there an empty thing here? Okay, can you delete this turret?
This one?
Oh wait, what is that one? Yeah, click on that one. What is this? Turret AI. Oh, this is the one you want. Yeah.
Shoot, sorry.
Can you click on sprite? What is sprite?
Sprite.
Okay, what's the? Okay, can you delete that?
Yeah.
Okay, can you click on the sprite the tile sheet?
Yeah.
No, the first one.
Where is that? This one, and then.
No, that's the parent.
All right.
No, go to the inspector. Okay. Okay, go to the parent. Click on turret. Okay, can you click on overrides? Yeah, and then apply all. Okay. Try it out now.
Okay.
Try it out. Press play.
Okay. It still doesn't work.
Well, it's not spawning. It's not. It's.
No, I'm pretty sure they are spawning. Like on the side, you can see enemy variant clone.
Yeah, enemy variant, but you're spawning turret, not enemies.
Oh.
So it looks like you have the same problem as Adrian. Okay. Okay. Can you double click on her? What is it called? Spawn turret. Double click on spawn turret. The script. It's in the bottom.
Where's that? All right, here it is.
Yeah. Double click it.
Okay.
Okay. Now we wait. Wow. Ka-chow. It's really fast.
Jeez, that's wow. It's a loud car.
Yeah, these guys have race cars around here. Okay, let's scroll down.
All right. Whoa, I'm lagging. All right, there we go.
Okay, scroll up. You went too much. Okay, can you scroll to the right where it says layer mask? You see the line that's the longest.
Yeah.
The longest line. Okay, so turret there. I think your turret is lowercase t. So remove, change the capital to lowercase. Okay, save it and then go back to Unity.
All right. Oh, what the? What just popped up?
You have to sign into Visual Studio.
Okay.
Okay, well, while you create your account, let me move on to someone else. The Parashar, do you have a question, you said? Or is Parashar here?
I just downloaded it. And I don't know how to import.
Okay, just a moment. Okay, Parashar, can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, can you show me what you have?
Yeah, present. Can you see it?
Yeah, I can now see it. Oh, that's pretty good.
So I can't place, but it rotates with it. But I can't place it.
That's hilarious. Okay, can you stop playing? Okay, did we have this problem last week? Was it the same problem or is this randomly
No, I
popped
didn't
up?
have a problem until I switched it to this image.
I switched to that image. Ah, I see. Okay. Let's see what the problem is. Can you click on main camera? Yeah. Let's see. We have grass tile map. Can you click on the grass tile map? No, on the, it says right there. Yeah, right. On the spawn turret under the camera and the inspector. Yeah. Can you click on that? Okay. Can you click on grass? Yeah. Can you hide the grass? Okay. Looks like it's good. Okay. Show it again. Okay. Let's see. Can you open up your script for the placement of spawn turret? It's called spawn turret. So go to your main camera and just, oh, okay, yeah, it's cool. Spawn turret. Okay, we have. Okay, as long as it's not a collider, then we can press it. Okay, can you go back to Unity? Can you click on your grass again on the inspector? Yeah, and it doesn't have a collider. That's good. Can you click on your main camera again? Yeah. It's, oh, you have, oh, what is turret? Can you click on turret on the spawn turret? Yeah, that turret. Okay, it's that one. Okay, can you click and drag your turret one more time to your, yeah, there, just to make sure No, onto the inspector, where it says turret. Oh, delete that.
Oh, delete this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go to your main camera. Okay, and then click and drag your turret in there just to make sure it's the correct one. Yeah, that one there. Okay, try again.
I downloaded Unity. And it
No, I click.
Can you click?
I'm clicking, but it's not.
Okay, can you click all the way in the top left edge? Top left of the grass. Yeah, can you spawn there?
No.
Can you press pause? Okay, can you click on one of your enemies? Can you focus on it, or can you scroll in a little bit more? Where's its box collider? Oh, I think you have a huge box collider. Can you zoom out? Oh no, it's right there. Okay, it's very small. That's interesting.
I finished downloading Unity.
Zoom out.
For some reason, my thing is like it's not letting me sign into my account.
That's more of your account thing. I can't help. I can't really help you with that. Can you go back to your script? Okay. So if the map here is not null, let me see my script. Maybe you checked something wrong. Okay, so we have map sprites. If it's not null, preview coordinates are true. Raycast. Not input. Okay, can you do me a favor? Can you go to line number 30, press enter, and then type in capital D, debug.log. Okay, Bryce, I heard you. One moment. Okay, parentheses. No, after line 31.
After, okay. Here?
After that, you put debug.log after raycast.hit or raycast hit 2D.
Okay. So I enter
After
here.
that line, yeah. Parentheses, hit.name. Oh, hit that collider name, sorry. Name. Yeah, and then semicolon at the end. Okay, save it. Go back. Press play. And just hover over the grass. Okay, it's just turret preview, so it's hitting itself. Okay, stop playing. Okay, click on turret preview. Yeah, can you remove the circle collider? I think that's your problem. Remove the circle collider and the turret AI. You don't need the turret AI. Or I mean, you can keep it if. Oh no, actually, just remove it. Yeah, because you just remove the circle collider. Okay, try that, and this should work.
No.
Still no. Okay, stop. You have an error on the code. It says null something. Can you double click on your? Yeah. Okay, so it is null. If it is null, then you can click and it spawns a turret. Well, it should be working. Okay, can you delete that line 32? I think it's because it's crashing. That's why it's not letting you spawn. Yeah, save it. Yeah, that's the reason why it's crashing it, because we made it crash. Okay, now play. It should work.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. All right, so we're back to where we left off. Okay. So okay, now let's go back to Bryce. Bryce, what you have it done? You have Unity installed?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you download the package I sent on the link?
Yeah.
Okay. So can you share your screen? I'll quickly tell you how to do it.
Okay.
Okay. So where's the stuff you downloaded?
Somewhere in here.
Okay. Go find it.
I'm gonna go ask my mom if she can find it.
Okay, I can probably help you out. Okay, so is Adrian, are you still loading? And then Reese, are you still trying to sign in?
I'm still loading.
Wow. Oh man. And Reese? You're still trying to sign in?
Yeah, mine's still trying to download.
I see. Okay. Well, for everyone, so let's go back to what's his name, Parshar and what's it, Zane. Let's fix the turret placement, because that's where I left off. So let me go back here. So let me start one more time, just in case you guys got lost. What we're gonna do is just grab your turret, drag it out onto the scene, and then you'll get your turret with a you have a square and then a circle collider, right? So what you're gonna do is delete the sprite renderer, and then delete the not square, the box collider 2D. So delete box collider 2D and the sprite renderer. So you should see something like this.
Wait, where do we delete these off of again?
The turret.
Okay. Sprite render and box slider.
Yeah. So you have, so just delete the sprite render and the box collider. So you should only have turret AI.
I actually already didn't. I didn't even have those on mine. Mine were on the child.
Ah, perfect. Okay, so this is for Parsha then.
Okay.
Yeah. This is for you too. So just hang on. Okay, so have just the turret.
If I can't go into Visual Studio, what should I do?
You can just right click and open it with a notepad.
Really? That would work?
Yeah. So just
okay.
show and explore it, and then right click the file and then edit with notepad. You just won't have
it wouldn't show the errors though.
Yeah, it won't show the errors, so you'll probably have a lot of errors. You have to be careful. Okay, so we have the turret, and then underneath, make a child. So inside the turret, make a child, and then call it turret sprite or just sprite, and then make a sprite render, and then a box collider 2D. Okay, so then when you do it, it looks something like this. Okay, so whatever sprite you have, and a box collider.
Wait, so should we add this to the preview or the actual?
The actual turret.
Okay, so the one in like the project folder?
Yeah, in the project folder. So remember, we're separating these two things. The parent is the turret AI and the circle collider. The child is just the sprite and the box collider. Hey, did you guys get that? Zane and Parshar?
Should I, from the project folder turret, should I delete my circle collider and hold on? Should I delete my circle collider and turret AI from the turret in the project folder?
No, why? You downloaded the project I gave you. So
yeah,
yours is fixed already.
Fernando.
Yeah, you guys just have that layer problem. I'm sorry?
I did what you did, but it's still not working.
Oh yeah, there's still one more step, and this step, that's why I want you guys to be at the same step, because This
Yeah.
next step is very tricky.
Yeah, I've
Wait,
already
so
been there. I did that last time.
They're importing right now
Okay.
for Unity.
Okay. All right. So
Fernando,
Parsh, are we here?
yeah, so the box collider goes into the one in the project folder, or the one in the inspector. I mean, in the hierarchy.
In the box collider. Okay. So you dragged out your turret from the project folder, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now that turret, you made a child, right? You separated the art and the circle collider, right?
Oh no, my preview is just.
No, we're not dealing with the preview. We're not doing anything with the preview right now. Okay. Can you
Okay.
share your screen? I'll do step by step with yours.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay. Click and drag your turret out. Yeah, just anywhere. That's fine. And then move it outside so you don't confuse it with another object. Just move it outside. Yeah. Okay. And now remove the sprite renderer and remove the box collider. Remove component and remove. Okay, you don't have a box collider. Perfect. Now right click on your turret and then make a child. So empty, create empty. Okay, in there add a sprite renderer. So sprite renderer. And then add component again and add a box collider. Yeah, and then click and drag your turret into the sprite.
And then click and drag this thing.
Yeah.
Thing?
No, you're the one that says preview. No, not that one. The one on your folder that says preview. That's the art.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that one. There you go. Okay. One moment, Bryce. Okay. And then just since the box collider is messed up, can you right click? No. Can you click on the component and just reset it? Yeah. Click on and then reset. Reset the first one. Okay. There you go. Okay. Perfect. So now click on your turret, and then apply the changes. So go to overrides and apply. Apply all. Perfect. Okay. Now you're in the same step as Reese. Okay, the next step is we have to change the layer. So go to layer. It says default. This is on the parent turret. Then add layer. Okay, make a layer. Call it turret. Okay, and let's go back to the turret and then change the layer. So click on the turret again, and then change the layer, and then only change this object. Okay. All right. Perfect. Now apply all. So overrides and apply all. Okay, perfect. Now let's go back to the turret spawn script, and we're going to add a mask. Okay, and are we good here, Zane? Okay, well, okay, so. I'm going to share my screen. So just copy the code that's here. We're going to go to where it says raycast, raycast the point. And then what we're going to add is we're going to add a length, and we're going to add a mask.
How do I open with Notepad again?
You right click, show in Explorer, and then right click the file, and then edit with Notepad.
Where's show in Explorer?
You right. Okay, so on Unity, you right and you show and Explorer. So on the project folder, right click and then show and Explorer, and that's how you show and Explorer. And this is what you type, Parshar, and Zane, yeah. So what we're doing here is we're creating a mask. A mask means you can hit everything except this object. We can't really do it in. If yours hasn't loaded, Adrian, just restart your.
Wait,
your
can you show
Unity.
me the whole line? Because I don't. Do we already have that line, or do we write the entire line?
Nope, you guys already have this line. It says physics 2D raycast. It's the longest line in spawn turret. Okay. Make sure you have correct parentheses. At the end, there's like 3 parentheses. Okay. So once you have that, save it, and then you can go back to Unity, and then you should be able to spawn your turrets next to each other.
How do you get into Visual Studio?
You can't even close it. For Adrian, you can. I would suggest just turning off your computer then and just restarting everything. Just coming back.
I'm gonna restart my computer as well, so I can actually go into Visual Studio because nothing's loading right now.
Okay. Bryce, what's your question again? Sorry.
How do you go into Visual Studios?
So you click on the. Okay, so you're seeing my screen, right?
Hold on.
Yeah.
Click on it. Yeah.
Okay. So what you do is whatever C# you find on, for example, you want to look at spawn turret. You can just double click on that file and it opens up on Visual Studio.
I did that, but it does this. If I do that, it just does this and brings me this.
Oh, do you have Visual Studio installed?
I'm pretty sure.
Okay, stop playing. Click on the play button and stop playing.
Sure.
Okay, can you click on edit? Yeah, edit on the menu bar.
Yeah.
Edit. It says the word edit on the menu bar, all the way on top left of your computer. Yeah. Go to projects. Wait, what is it? Is it project settings? Go to file. What is yours on? Is it file? No. Edit. Go back to edit. Okay, go to project settings. Maybe it's there. Project settings, all the way in the bottom. Okay, click on editor. There's a second option, editor. No, it's not there. What is yours on? Yeah, it should say preferences. Close it. Go to window.
It just froze. Hold on.
Today's a good day for computers, right? Did it work, Parshar and Zane? The change you made?
No, I changed it, but it still doesn't work.
It's not placing anymore.
It's not placing anymore?
For me, it's still placed. It's just doing the same thing.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's not
I
placing
probably
anymore.
have to search, see what's going on.
It loaded.
It loaded? Okay.
Well, not Visual Studio, but it went out. I just.
Okay, go click on Unity again. Okay, go to window.
Unity itself is frozen now.
Oh. From here, I don't know. Try restarting the, or I don't know. What do you guys usually do next? Is there like a task manager?
I'm on MacBook.
Yeah, is for the ones that are using Mac. Is there a way to just kill a process, stop something? I think you just have to probably restart the computer. I can't. I don't know how to run a. Sorry, a Mac. Wait, let me look it up quickly. Let me see if I can. It looks like your projects are being corrupted. Let's see.
I just restart the whole computer.
Yeah, is there like a force quit or something like that in Mac?
I don't think so.
Okay, yeah, I would suggest you just turning it off then. Just restart the whole computer. We'll just log in again. Okay. Okay, let me go back to PowerShark. Can I see your
Apparently
thing?
starting.
Okay. Okay. Let's see. Oh, you're already sharing. Okay, let me see. Okay. Okay, can you play the game and show me? It's not spawning. Wait, what am I looking at?
Fernando?
Yeah, I can hear you.
So I don't know what's the problem. I think it might be because do I have to drag this shirt into the main camera monitor?
No.
It's still this one, right?
It's still on the preview one. Oh, I see what happened. Okay, go to the preview and then delete the circle collider. So on turret preview, yeah. Oh, it is removed. Okay, just leave it like that. Go to game object, and that remove the box collider. Yeah. Okay. We should have just made this separated instead of using a thing.
Yeah.
Okay. You can place them next to each other.
Yeah.
Yay, it works. Okay. Okay. Let's see. So that's one down. Zane, can you share your screen so I can help you out?
Yeah.
Okay. For everyone else, can you guys make your bullets ready? We're gonna do some bullets and we're gonna do shops also. So make sure you guys are ready for that.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see. Okay. Show me.
Should I run it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just can't place it here.
Okay. Stop playing. Okay. Can I see your turret? Can you drag your turret out of your or
Well, actually, I don't use this one anymore. Mine's just called Cannon.
is this cannon? Okay.
Yeah.
Did you apply all the settings? It looks like you haven't applied any settings. Overrides and then click apply all. Yeah. Okay.
Should I try now?
Try it now.
There we go.
Okay. Well, whose fault is this?
Why aren't they shooting though?
They're not shooting because your circle colliders are probably, I don't know.
They were shooting before.
Let's stop playing. Actually, no, or actually do it again. Press play, and then just pause the game. So play the game and then pause the game.
Okay. Okay.
Well, place a turret, let the enemies go through, and then we just want to see. Pause the game, so we want to see what the turret has.
Okay. So like now?
Yeah. Just pause it now.
Fernando, what's the website
Uh-huh.
we should use for game art? Open game art, right?
Yeah, open game art. Open game
Okay, so
art.
I paused it.
Yeah, click on the cannon you just created. Okay. Go to. It does not have a script. Oh no! Can you click on? You clicked on the child. Can you click on the parent? Yeah. Okay. Click on turret AI. It says enemies. You see that drop down?
Yeah.
Yeah. It says size 0. Okay. There is a problem. It's not detecting your. Okay. So the circle collider is there. It's okay. Can you stop playing? Okay. Let's click on one of your enemies and drag it out. I want to see what's going on. And this guy has a box collider and a rigid body. Perfect. Okay, delete that. We don't need it. And then open up turret AI.
Okay.
Okay, so on collision with enemy. Okay, can you go back to your enemy and just click on one of the enemies? And see if they're tagged correctly.
It's enemy. An enemy.
With lowercase e. Okay, can you go back to the script? It's lowercase e. Okay. And it's not adding it. Okay, can you go back to your game object? I mean, sorry, can you go back to your cannon? Yeah, I was reading the game object. Okay, you did layer. Did you change anything with the physics?
No.
let's check. Go to edit on the menu bar, all the way on the top left. Edit,
Yeah.
and then project settings.
Here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go to scroll down.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
the only thing I changed here was I just unchecked this one.
Oh yeah, that's why it's not colliding with each other. It's not detecting the enemies. Enemies are on default, and you're the turret.
I thought you told
Yeah.
us to uncheck that.
No, it's turret and turret. Turret and turret can't touch
Oh.
each other. So it's the
Okay,
last
so this one.
Yeah.
And then
that's
that
the
should
one.
be it.
Yeah, it should be it.
I just got back. What should I do?
Let's see if this works. All right, cool. It's not shooting, but at least it spins.
Well, it's not shooting because we haven't implemented the shooting yet.
Yeah. Wait, why? The turns are kind of weird though. They're like jumping around. So I don't know.
Yeah, because it's moving from one target to the other next target.
Oh.
Remember, that's how we designed it. Okay, let's get. So who's next?
That's me. Oh wait, well, I mean, I used to be. I was before Zane, but then I had to leave the call, and then.
Okay. So what's up?
So I wasn't able to place the turrets over the grass because of the layering. And
Okay.
should I share my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
It's a lot of turrets.
Yeah. Every space is a turret.
Just make sure you have your bullet ready. So either go design it, make it, or.
Oh,
something.
okay.
Should I go back? I'll go back to here.
Okay, you still have to edit your. Okay, so how do you edit this? Right click on the spawn turret. And the bottom at the project folder. Yeah, just right click. Yeah, just right click there. That's fine. Open in Explorer. Show in Explorer. Okay, and then look for this. Double click on assets.
Where
The
is
first
that?
folder. It's already highlighted blue.
Oh,
Okay, scroll down and look for the, what is it called? Spawn turret. Spawn turret. Right there. You see it says spawn turret? No.
well, I mean, it opens in. It opens.
Yeah,
in
no.
Visual
Okay,
Studio.
go back.
All right. All right. I'm back
Oh wait,
here.
hold on. This is my stuff, right? My stuff already has it. So what's wrong? Oh, you just have to edit
What?
the T. Okay, it has to be lowercase t. And you didn't save it. Can you close all your Visual Studios?
Yeah, I can't go into Visual Studio. Remember?
Yeah, close it. Close all of them. If you can't close them, just ignore them. It says exit Visual Studio right there. Press X on sign in your account and then exit Studio.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And then exit Studio on the right. It says right there, exit Studio. There's a button.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so go back to the file manager or whatever where the file is. Yeah. Right click on it. We're doing spawn turret, not enemies. Okay, and then edit. Hold on, open with.
Open with.
And then go to yeah, Notepad is fine. Okay, let's scroll down. Okay, so it looks like it did save it. Turret with lowercase t. Okay, can you go back to your code? Unity. Can you go back to Unity? Okay. So now click on your. Can you click on your turret? The one in that one. Can you go to the inspector? Okay. Remove the box collider that's there. Yeah. Can you click on the little arrow where it says turret? Yeah. The child. Okay.
Oh. All right.
Yeah. Click on the child. And then remove the box collider also. I don't know why there are a bunch of box colliders. Yeah. Okay. So now click on your turret, the big T turret. Yeah. Okay, you know what? This is a little confusing. Can you delete that turret?
Okay.
Okay. This one is your. Okay, can you do me another thing? Can you click and drag your turret defense out of, so it can stop being a child of turret? Yeah, just click and drag it out. It doesn't let you.
No, I don't think so.
Okay, just delete that turret then.
I deleted both turrets. Then.
Yeah, delete both of them.
All right. Sorry.
The parent, delete the parent.
I know. I'm trying to. But all right. There we go.
Okay. Now go to go to click your turret from the project folder out. Yeah, click and drag that out. Okay. So this has everything set. Oh no, it has a box collider. Can you remove that box collider?
Yeah, got it.
Okay, can you go as inside the child? Or go to the child? Yeah, that one. And that one is right. Okay, so can you click on the parent again? The turret parent?
Yeah.
Okay, can you go to overrides on the top right and then press apply all? Okay, delete this turret so you don't get confused.
Okay.
Okay, now can you double click on Kenny? The folder
Kenny?
named Kenny.
Oh, Kenny. Okay.
Yeah.
Kenny.
Go to tile set or tile sheet.
Top sheet.
Yeah.
Top. Okay.
Sheet. Yeah, and then click on the first one, the little arrow. Yeah. Scroll down. Okay. Scroll up. You see the turret?
Yeah.
The green turret. Yeah. Click and drag that out.
Could I do this one? Does it matter what it's
No, just do the green one, man.
Okay.
You can do the customization later. Yeah, right there. Just leave it there. Okay, let's go to the main camera. Okay, scroll down on the inspector. Okay, so you need to click and drag your preview. So it's going to be the thing you just dragged. It's called Tower Defense Tile Sheet on the hierarchy.
Okay.
The last thing on the hierarchy. Click and drag it on preview.
Preview. Oh shoot.
It says missing.
Oh my gosh. There it is.
Right there. Yep. Okay, now press play and see if it works.
Kind of. I mean, no, not really.
Okay, so stop playing.
All right.
Okay, can you click on your, can you go back to your main assets folder? Assets, can you click on your turret? Yeah, it's on layer turret. Can you click and drag that out again? Sorry. Oh, it is capital T. Oh, okay. Can you go to the child?
Yeah.
And then check what layer. Okay, default. Okay, perfect. Delete that turret, and we need to change it to capital T again. So go to the script. So go to your folder. Yeah, it's right there open, actually. Yeah, it is capital T, and then save.
You can save in Notepad?
Yes. Save. Okay, go back to Unity. Okay, it's going to compile again.
Oh, sorry, wrong one.
Okay, and just press play. Perfect.
It works. Yeah, cool. It works.
Okay. All right, are we good here? Can we move on now?
Jeez, yeah, it's already 4:10.
Bryce, are we okay? Can we move on?
I can't download it. It says it's not supported on OS X.
What?
What do you mean it's okay? Can you share your screen?
It thinks I downloaded it.
No, we're not doing Visual Studio. Just get out of Visual Studio. We'll do this after class. The Visual Studio after class. We want to do just the Unity stuff. So go to Unity. Okay. So let's see this. Can you stop playing? Okay. Go. Press play again. Yeah. Okay. Why is the game not running? Okay. Can you stop playing?
It works.
Okay. Can you click and then do the turret spawn?
No.
Okay, stop playing. Okay, can you click on the turret, the name of the turret on the hierarchy? That's on the left-hand side. Okay. Okay, you see on the top right, it says layer and it's blank.
Mm-hmm.
No, it says layer. No. Okay, this is layer. Layer. Yeah. Then add new layer. Okay, on line number 8, type in capital T, turret. Number 8, yeah, turret, Turret. Okay. Now let's go back to the turret. So select the turret again on the left-hand side. Yeah, and then, okay, so change it to turret. Okay. Now press play and see if it works.
Loading. No.
Okay, stop playing. Okay, can you go back to, do you see the little arrow next to the turret? It's an arrow pointing to the left.
Mm-hmm.
That's pointing down. The arrow is on the to the line above it. You see the arrow that's pointing to the left? Yeah, click on that to go back. Okay, can we click on your main camera? Okay, let's scroll down on spawn turret. Okay, we have grass map. Turret and transform. Can you click on your grid? It's on the left-hand side. It says grid. The arrow pointing to the right, and then press down. Yeah, click on it so you can go down. No, the arrow. Click on the arrow.
Okay.
Okay, can you click on grass map? Yeah, can you move your mouse all the way to the right in the inspector? And next to the name, it says grass map. There's a check mark. Uncheck it.
Static?
No. It's then no. Uncheck that. No, there's a check mark next to the name. Yeah. Okay. Check it again. So that's good. That works. Oh. Are you clicking the mouse like left click? That's how you build a turret.
Yeah. Pretty sure. I'll try again. Yeah, I'm left clicking.
You're left clicking, right?
Yes, left clicking. I just tried right clicking now, but that's not working either.
Okay, stop playing. Okay, stop playing. Okay, can you click on your turret on the left-hand side with the small T?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, can you click? There's a child. Click on the little arrow next to the name turret with small. No, go back. No, did you see the arrow that's pointing to the right? Yeah, that arrow. Click on the child. Okay, can you remove box collider? Yeah, there's a triple dots on the right. Yeah, there's triple dots. No. Yeah, and then remove component. Good. Okay, now press play. And now it should work.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, finally. Let's move on. All right. Sorry about that, everyone. So let's move on with our project. So that was a problem from last week. So last week, again, our problem was spawning our objects in our in the game correctly, because most of it was the circle collider was blocking the project. Okay, so now the next thing we're gonna do is what do you guys want to do? Shooting or maps? Oh, sorry, or the money inventory. Money.
Shooting. Oh, well, I don't care, but
I would prefer shooting.
I would prefer shooting because wouldn't it be better to actually have them work?
Yeah, the game isn't like a shooter game if it doesn't have shooting with the turrets.
How could you even get money if the turrets don't shoot?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do shooting first, and then we're gonna do money. Okay, because shooting actually works independently from the turret. Turrets don't have a limit on how much they can shoot. It's just how much you can place on the turret. If you guys want to add more to it, then you're free to add like more logic to that. But okay, to do this, let's click on the turret on the bottom on the project folder. Okay, and we're gonna click on add component. And we're going to add our first component, our first script for today. And we're going to call it turret shooting. Okay. Remember, to make a script, there's no space. Once you have this, let's open up this.
Should I do turret or cannon?
You can do cannon. It's
Okay.
your script. Yeah. Once you have this, let's open it up. So just double click it, and whatever editor you open, just let it open. If you guys, if for like Reese, where your idle doesn't work, just open up your what is it, your text thing, and I'll copy and paste your stuff, and so you can copy, or you can type. You can.
How about I
follow along.
type it, and then maybe like if it doesn't work, then I might be able to copy and paste it.
Okay, no problem. Just make sure this part is, remember, this part is whatever you have. It's not going to be the same. So whatever spelling you did. If you spelled it exactly like mine, then it's going to be the same. If you spelled it differently, it's going to look different. Just make sure you don't confuse that. Okay, now the first thing we're going to do with shooting is, one, we need to define what we're shooting. Second, how fast are we shooting? What was that?
I double clicked it, but it's still not opening.
Okay, can you let's see, your screen is still there. Okay, can you go back to Unity?
Do I double click?
No, you're double click. Where? Okay, you clicked on that. Okay, now scroll down. Okay,
Yeah.
you created it. No, hold on. Can you click on the little arrow so you can expand it, or just double click it again? Yeah. Okay, now click on the name. Yeah, that one. The inside the little box. Yeah, that's where you double click. Yeah, okay. And you have a text document, that's fine. Just make sure you follow along, okay?
Mhm.
Okay, like I said, we need what we're shooting, how fast are we shooting? Well, not really how fast, because the bullet's gonna figure that out. And where we're shooting it from, and the frequency. So let's start off with our first variable. So we're gonna say public, let's see, game object projectile. So we define what the projectile is. Public transform. We're going to define the location of this object. So transform is for the barrel. And public float, and then how frequency. Let's do every 0.5 seconds. So that's going to throw a bullet every 0.5 seconds. And then finally, we have our current time. So just like we did with the other scripts, we're going to say private float, and we're going to call it C time. And this is just going to have a semicolon. As default, it's going to be 0. Okay, so once we have this, let's start with our update. So we want to shoot only when the time is right. So only when we get to that point. So inside our update function, we're gonna ask, did we pass that frequency time? If we did, then shoot. If not, then just keep adding however many seconds has passed by through each frame. So the time, the delta time. So we're gonna say if C time is greater than frequency, frequency, then here we're going to say, let's see, we're going to start shooting. So we're going to say projectile, or no, we're just going to call it clone. So it's going to say game object clone, and we're going to instantiate this object. What are we instantiating? We're instantiating a projectile. Where are we instantiating? We're going to do it from our barrel, so barrel.position, and barrel.rotation, depending on where it's looking at. Okay, very important, because since our turrets are rotating, so we do care about its rotation. Okay, after we create the game object, we are going to destroy the clone after, let's just say, like 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, it's bound to be outside the screen. We don't care about it anymore. So yeah, we don't want it to ruin our memory, eat up our memory. So we're gonna say destroy clone after 2 seconds. Sorry, 5 seconds.
I'm not done.
What's that?
I'm not done.
Okay, I'm not expecting anyone to be done. I'm just explaining what's going on. Okay. After you do this, after the if statement, if the frequency is bigger than that, then it's gonna create the clone. Then we need to restart the time. So C time has to be back to 0. If we are still not there, if let's just say it's at 0.1 seconds and you have to get to 0.5, we're gonna say else just keep adding time. So it's gonna say C time, plus equal time dot delta time. And that's it. So it's going to continuously shoot every 0.5 seconds. Every time 0.5 gets there, it's going to reset the time, create an object, and it's going to be there. So if you run this code right now, one, you need to specify your projectile and your barrel. So that's easy. The other thing is we did not put speed in this object. Usually for these objects, it's best if you, well, you know what? You know what? Let's actually add speed to this. We're breaking the rules today. So let's add some speed to this. So let's go all back up here where we define our variables. And we're going to make a new variable. We're going to call it the projectile speed. So public float projectile speed. And let's make it 25. Okay, so I'm gonna copy and paste the code that I have so far in the drive. So whoever is still left behind, copy and paste. You guys can catch up.
All right, thanks.
Yep. I lost my link. Nice. Okay, so you can go to the same link. I'm making a Google Doc there, and I'll just call it code. Maybe I should call it something else. Bird shooting. Okay. Like I said, the code is there now, so you guys can open up the Google Drive, Google Drive link, and just copy and paste the code. I remember. Oh, sorry.
Wait, if I already have what you have, then do I need to do it or no?
Nope.
Oh,
It's
okay.
only the ones that are falling behind. For example, like the ones that don't have Visual Studio. Okay, so like I said, we have projectile speed. We have the projectile speed. And the next thing we're going to do is we need to add the speed when we create the object. So down here where we created the object, we're going to go after this, after clone. And we're going to say, first we need to grab the rigid body of that object. So clone.getComponent rigid body 2D, because we're dealing with 2D. And this 2D object, we're going to add force. And we're going to add force in the forward direction. So it's going to be the up direction. Yeah. Is it up direction? Yeah, up direction. So depending on where it's facing, it's always going to be forward. So that's its up. So we're going to say clone.forward. Clone.transform.forward. Okay. Times projectile speed. So projectile speed. And finally, we need to do a force mode. So force mode.2D impulse. So it can go flying. So it can go like actual flying. Because if you don't do a impulse, then it's gonna slowly just add force over a while, over some time. It's like pushing a boulder. If you do impulse, it's just gonna ignore mass and it's just gonna go flying.
It's not letting me start it.
Not letting you start what? Sorry.
It's not letting me start the script.
Yeah, because I just finished it right now. Did you copy everything in the script?
Yeah.
Can I see your script?
Well, I didn't copy everything here yet.
Well, so it's not going to work. You have to copy everything. I just finished the script.
Oh, okay.
So let me copy and paste this stuff again. Did you copy and paste the code?
It's not letting me copy and paste it. It's just saying it's just asking if I want to import it.
Oh no. Okay. Okay. Close that. Go back to the Google Drive.
Google Drive. Okay. Let me go here. Open
Okay.
it.
Can you click on that link? Okay. Hold on. Stop. Hold on. Okay. Now double click on turret shooting. Yeah. Okay. That's the code we need. So all we're gonna do is copy and paste this. So select everything. Okay. Copy.
Command C.
Okay. Let's go back to your script. So where's your script?
Hold on. Oh, here. No. Turret. There we go.
No. Okay. Click on assets on the bottom. Yeah, and then double click on. No. Double click on turret shooting. It's a bottom left script. Did you double click it?
There.
Okay. Yep. And I'll paste everything.
Right here.
Yeah. So just overwrite everything. So delete everything and then paste everything.
So like all of it.
Yep. Delete it. Okay, there you go. Okay, now you need to change something. Turret shooting. My script name is different. Scroll up. Okay, so change the name turret shooting to capital T turret underscore shooting. That's what you called your script. The script name has to be the same as the class name. Yeah. Yeah, so just the same name that you're hovering over.
Right here?
Yep. Mm-hmm. Yep, there you go. Save it. Control S. Oh, sorry, you don't do control. It's command. Yeah. Now you go back to Unity and then just wait for us, because that's where we are. Okay, so everyone hopefully has this done. Let's go back to Unity. Now in Unity, make sure you have your whatever you're gonna shoot. I'm just gonna use this circle that's down here to make this go faster. So just click and drag the circle. Whoever downloaded my project, click and drag the circle out. This is what we're gonna shoot. So yeah, the circle comes from down here. So just click and drag it out. Scale it, make it smaller. So just press the R key and then click on the little white box in the middle, and then you scale it uniformly to a small size. So that's what we're shooting. Okay. If you have a bullet, go ahead and use that bullet. Or sorry, projectile. Just use that projectile. For this one, I'm just using this. Okay.
Did you just create a game object?
I just created a circle. I just clicked and dragged my circle out here. Make sure you're on the scene tab. You're on the game tab, Bryce. The scene tab it says scene. A little lower. No, that's too much. Go up. It says scene, game, and then asset store.
Oh.
Click on the scene. Yeah, that's where you edit. Yeah, and then press the R key to make it to the scale. So make it smaller. Yeah, and then make it smaller. No, click on the circle that's in the. Okay, yeah, just do that instead. That's fine.
Like that.
Okay, so once you have this object, once you have your projectile ready, One, we need to add a circle collider because this is a circle. If you have a other complicated object, you can add a box collider. So go to add component here on the right hand side. Click on add component, and then we're going to look for circle collider. So type in circle collider, and it should say circle collider 2D. Add that, and then we're going to add another component. We're going to add rigid body 2D. Okay. Now we also have to change the property in the rigid body because remember ours is top down, so the gravity does not exist on our side the way we're looking at. So make sure you go here where it says gravity scale and then change it from 1 to 0. Okay. So now that gravity is off, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add this object. We're going to make this a prefab so we can spawn it. So to do this, first, we're going to rename it. So up here, instead of circle, let's call it projectile. Okay. Once you're done with that, click and drag your projectile.
Fernando, I have a problem.
What's your problem?
After I did the script, it said you are trying to replace or create a free prefab from the instance turret that contains the script turret shooting 2, which does not derive from mono behavior. This is not allowed. The script is supposed to be under turret, right?
Yeah. Wait, did you make double turrets, or did you copy and paste the code from my thing?
No, because first I made one, and it wasn't letting me put it into like into the turret because I just made it through the project assets folder. So then I made another one called turret shooting 2. Is it because of the 2 there?
No, it shouldn't be a problem.
Okay,
can you share your screen? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so I have it under this over here.
And what is it telling you?
Just this.
You're trying to replace or create a prefab turret 2. What? Okay, that's interesting. Can you open up your script? Maybe you copied and pasted something. Everything looks right. Turret shooting 2.
Yeah, because the problem with the last one was the public class thing.
Yeah, but this is right because this is the same name as the file,
yeah, exactly.
And it's deriving from. I think it's just an error that's there. It's just there. Try pressing play. Yeah. Well, yeah. It looks like it's working.
Yeah, I just have to assign this stuff now.
Yeah, that's something we're doing right now. Okay. Yeah, it just looks like a random error from.
Yeah.
You probably were saving or something. I don't know.
I got an error.
What's there?
It says assertion failed on expression. GeForce reimports.
If that's the thing, that's Unity being weird. Just ignore that.
Okay.
Yeah, that means that Unity had a senior moment and it couldn't process what it was doing. It's a weird error. Okay.
So what have you guys done so far? Just
we just created a bullet. I just grabbed a circle and just pulled it out. Put a circle collider and a rigid body. So if you're doing a circle collider, I mean, if your thing is long like a projectile, you can put a square. I mean, a box collider. But just make sure it has a rigid body and make sure you remove gravity.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Let's move on. So I'm presenting again. So make sure you guys are looking at my screen.
Wait, you said remove gravity. From which? Did you say remove gravity from the circle or?
From the circle, from the projectile. So just go on rigid body and just says gravity scale. Just put it 0.
Oh, okay.
How do you make it a prefab?
To make it a prefab, that's the step we're in. To make it a prefab, we need to click and drag the projectile. So look at my screen. Just click and drag my projectile down here. And you let go, and it creates a projectile. A prefab, sorry. So all you have to do is click and drag from here to down here to the project folder, and it creates a prefab. Okay. Once you created your prefab, delete your projectile from your screen, from your scene. You need to drag it from from here. Versus projectile. Click
Yeah.
it, drag from here all the way down to the project folder. Yep, and then you create your projectile. Okay. Good. So now delete the projectile from your scene. Just delete it. Just use the delete key.
Trying, it's not letting me.
If it's not letting you, just go to the inspector on the hierarchy. I mean, on the left-hand side, the hierarchy. Yeah, and then right-click and then delete. Yeah. Okay. So once you have this, let's add a barrel to this object, to this turret. So drag your turret out from your project folder. So click and drag your turret out. So all we did is this. Click and drag your turret out like this. Okay. Okay. Now that we have this turret, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make a barrel. So we're going to do is right click, and then we're going to create empty. Okay. Make sure you have the turret selected when you create empty. Okay. When you finish doing this, the turret, you should see the turret is the parent, and then you have the sprite, and then you have your empty game object. Okay. So remember, the empty game object should be a child of turret. Okay. If you accidentally created it outside, if it's not indented, just click and drag it inside turret, and it becomes a child. Okay. Once you have this, we're gonna drag this game object into the mouth of where the cannon's gonna be, or with the turret where it's gonna fire. So all you have to do is just press the W key and just move it to where it's gonna start the bullet where it's gonna pop up. Once you have this, call it barrel. Okay, and then change the icon. You don't have to change the icon. I like just showing where the icon is.
Fernando, is it supposed to shoot yet? No, right?
It's not going to shoot yet because we still have to click and drag the stuff there. So once you're done with this, just click on turret, click and drag your barrel inside where it says barrel, and then click and drag your projectile from your project folder. Okay, and make sure you click on overrides and then apply all. Once you have this, then your turret should be fully functioning. You just press play, and you place it, and it'll start shooting. Aha.
Wait, where's the barrel?
The barrel is something we create.
Oh, could you do that step one more time? I was on the last
Sure.
step, but I couldn't catch up.
Okay, so let me go back. So we have the turret outside.
Yeah.
Okay, and then when the turret that's outside, right click on the turret. Okay, and then create empty.
Yeah, I did that.
Okay. When you create empty, it's gonna say game object. So just rename it to barrel.
Okay.
Okay. And then move your barrel. So just press the W key and just move it to where it's going to spawn the bullet.
Yeah, I did that.
I can't move it.
What was that?
I can't move it.
What can't you move?
I can't move the turret.
The turret? Okay, just give me one moment. Let me finish helping Reese. Okay, so once you have the barrel, click on the turret. And then it's going to say projectile here. Sorry, it's going to say barrel and it's going to say none. So just click and drag your barrel to the transform, to the barrel place location.
Wait, so drag my barrel to the where it says barrel?
All right. Yep. And then make sure you grab your projectile from the correct place.
My projectile. the project. It's from the hierarchy, right?
Yeah.
Can you make it a project? Can you make the
Thanks.
barrel prefab, or how do you drag it?
Okay, one moment. Let me go back to Bryce. Okay, show me what you have, Bryce.
I'm already sharing.
Okay, I know. I'm seeing it right now.
Okay. I can't move it.
Okay, that's interesting.
Fernando,
Oh,
mine doesn't even work. So I just
Oh, I
wait.
am moving it. It's just not moving the stuff. It's the
Okay, first let's clean up your scene. Can you, on the left-hand, you do this. On the top right, this is layout. Top right, that's the left. Yeah, layout, and then click on default. Okay, just let it reload. Okay, and now click on the barrel. So click on where it says underneath, where it says sample scene on the left-hand side. Yeah, click on the little arrow, the drop down, and it should say barrel. Try moving it. Press W.
What W?
Click on barrel. Press W. It's still not moving. Oh, that's weird. I think your computer might be slowing down.
Wait,
uh,
let me just try moving the turret.
no. Do this before it crashes and before you lose everything. Click on File and then click Save. Yeah, we don't want you to lose everything. Okay, now that that's saved, can you just restart Unity? It looks like Unity is just having an issue. Yeah, just close it and just restart it. What's up?
That's
Mine's not working at all.
It's not working at all?
No.
Okay, let me see. Can you go back to your... I'm seeing your stuff. Okay, let's see. Can you click on your turret? Yeah, that one. Okay, you have circle. Wait, what circle? Circle is not a prefab. Yeah, click on that. Yeah, that has to become a prefab. So click and drag it down, and then click and drag that one into the turret. There you go.
it's working now.
It's working now. Okay. So click on your turret again and just press apply all.
I might have just not been dragging it right, maybe.
Maybe. Okay, now press play.
Dragging it. Oh, that actually works now with just my computer, I guess. Barrel.
Does it work now?
Yeah, it just looks really weird.
It's like, here, have some balls.
Yeah.
Have some circles. Okay, so we need to fix that problem, right? So everyone else, I think everyone should have this working now. Does everyone else's work?
My
I have a problem.
all right.
If the problem, if it,
Can't find my barrel.
Yeah,
If-
Fernando, what's happening with yours having with mine?
yeah, that is the problem. So to fix this problem, one, just make the turret speed, I mean the speed higher. So it says projectile speed, just make it higher. Instead of 25, do like 200.
Is that where it says? Is that on turret or is that? Oh wait,
Yeah,
sorry.
this is on the turret. Yeah, this is on the turret. So yeah, so you can just click on the turret on the bottom, and then the property should be 25, and just change it to like 200, and then press play, and the turret should shoot faster.
I don't see it.
Mine's not.
My game's still not working.
Turret shoot?
Wait. My Unity's kind of having a senior moment right now.
What's going on?
All right. There's a lot of things that are kind of happening. It's pretty
There's
much haywire.
Speed.
So basically, for one, I know this is a little bit nitpicky, but I don't know if this is supposed to happen, but when you place down the turret, the spinning is really weird. It does a half circle, and then when it goes to the next person, it turns back. I don't know if is that supposed to happen?
You mean the snapping? It snaps to
Yeah.
the next person? Yeah, that's what the the program is it's the I can't even speak anymore. The turret is programmed just to quickly look at the other player. We haven't done smooth movement.
All right, good. I only have two
Mhm.
problems then. All right.
Okay.
So one of them again, a little bit nitpicky, but what is it? Oh yeah, when you move your cursor around, there's supposed to be like the preview of the turret before you click it, right? Yeah, that doesn't happen for me. That's not showing up.
Okay, so I think you might have deleted it. But to fix this problem, just click and drag the turret out. No, not the turret. Sorry. That's the sprite. So go to like Kenny, the folder Kenny, and look for the sprite. And then once you find the sprite, drag it out into the scene, and then go to the main camera. And then on the main camera, it says preview, and then click and drag that object you got into turret icon. I mean, the preview. Then that becomes your new preview. Like I said, you probably deleted it,
Wait,
probably
say that again. I'm a little confused.
Okay, so click. Did you find that the sprite?
Yeah, on tile sheet.
Okay, yeah, click and drag it out.
Yeah.
Okay, now click on your main camera.
Okay.
On the hierarchy.
Yeah, I did it.
Okay, and then on the inspector, you'll see it says preview, and it says none. Or does it say or missing maybe?
Let me check. No, it says tower defense tile sheet _249 transformed.
Well, just click and drag your new one in there.
Okay.
Okay, and that new one that you click on it again on the hierarchy.
Yeah.
Okay, and then you should see one of the properties on the sprite render. It should say order and layer, and then change it to 2.
2, got it.
And then press play and see if it works.
All right, so that worked.
Okay.
And last one, my character does not shoot, and I'm not exactly sure why, but it just doesn't.
Is there errors?
Yeah, there's one at the bottom. It says the variable barrel of turret shooting has not been assigned. I'm pretty sure that's.
You haven't assigned your barrel.
I think I did though, because when you click on turret and it says turret shooting script, it says barrel transform under.
Okay,
barrel.
so you probably didn't apply it. So up on the top right, it says overrides, and just press apply all.
Okay, I'll try it. It still isn't working.
Do you want to share screen?
Yeah, I'll share my screen.
Okay, the solution to shooting, guys, is you have to go back to your script and then change the add force. Instead of forward, it has to be right. And that fixes the problem for shooting instead of like it giving balls. Anyway. Okay, let's see what's yours. Okay, stop playing.
All right.
Okay, click on your turret. Yeah, that turret. And go to inspector. Okay. And then what's your projectile? Click on your projectile. No, on the turret shooting. On the turret.
My bad.
Okay, yeah. So you're not grabbing the prefab version. So you need to make a prefab. So click and drag that thing. Yeah, down. Yeah,
here.
There. Okay, now it's a prefab, and then this is the one you need to drag into turret. Click and drag that projectile into there. Perfect. Now delete the okay, cool.
I keep accidentally playing it.
Right. Yep, delete that one. Yeah, now press play.
I don't have projectile speed. I have rot speed.
Wait, what the? Still not shooting.
Okay, stop playing. One moment, Bryce. Okay, can you click on that the error just once?
The error. Okay.
Click on that. Oh, you know what? Do this. Press play again. Oh, wait, hold on. Yeah, just press play. Yeah, press play. Put one of the turrets, and then press pause.
Put one of the turrets. What do you mean?
Yeah, just click on make a turret. Just normally make a turret.
Oh, that's what you mean.
Now press play. Pause. Yeah. Okay, can you click on the error? Just once. Okay, scroll down and then click on your turret. It's highlighting you where the problem is. Scroll down. Yeah, click on your turret. Yeah, click on your turret.
All right.
Okay, it says none projectile. Oh, you did not apply all. Okay, so stop playing.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. That's what happens. Click on your turret and then apply all.
Why? You gotta be kidding me. All right. I'll try it one more time.
Okay, it looks like they are shooting. It's just you're not seeing the bullets. So just change the order in layer. Yeah, stop. Click on your projectile on your project folder, and then change the projectile to 2 on the order in layer. And that
There
could
we
work.
go.
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta turn up the
Beautiful.
speed. Oh,
No,
wow.
that's not the problem. Well, yeah, that's one of the problems. So let me go help out
Because they
Bryce,
have
and then
colliders.
I'll give you guys the solution for that. Okay. Okay. What's the problem, Bryce?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. But I'm no longer here.
I can see your screen.
Presenting. Okay. So hold on. Let me just save. I'm gonna close it and reopen it real quick. Open.
Okay, while we're waiting for this, let me just tell everyone the answer for this. Okay, for everyone else, to make the bullets work correctly, if you haven't done this, go to your turret shooting script, and then go to the line where it says rigid body add force. The thing you need to change is instead of saying clone.transform.forward, you have to say .right, because this is a 2D game, so it's a forward is actually right. It's a little weird, but that's the correct one. So try that, change it to right, save it, and then press play, and your bullet should be working. Okay. What do you? Okay, let's click on your. Okay, why do you have 2 double turrets? Can you delete one of your turrets?
Where?
On the hierarchy. You have 2 turrets.
I have you told me to
Okay, delete one of them.
Fernando, mine just looks really funny. I'll just wait though.
Okay. Yeah. This one, can you remove the circle collider? That's top right. Yeah. Remove component. Okay. Remove the AI. You don't need the AI. Okay. Can you click on the turret? Can you click on the greater than the arrow on the hierarchy? Can you click on the child? Yeah, and then remove the box collider. Okay. Now click on your main camera.
Wait, hold on. Am I supposed to put this order in layer 2?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Click on your main camera on the left-hand side. Okay, let's scroll down. Okay, you see where it says preview and this is none? We need to click and drag our turret where it says turret 1 in there.
Yeah, I don't see any.
The turret 1 is on the left-hand side?
Yeah.
Okay, click and drag that turret 1. Click and drag it onto the right where it says preview none. It's close to the bottom right edge. Keep going to the bottom right. It says none. Do you see none? The word none on preview. Go up just a bit. Go up a bit. Go up. You see preview? You see the word preview?
Oh yeah, here.
Let it go. Okay, perfect. Okay. Now click on your turret, the turret from the bottom, the project folder. Okay, click and drag it out.
Drag it out.
Click and drag it out. Yeah. Okay. So you don't have a shooting script. Can you click on add component and then shooting, turret shooting? Shooting, the second thing. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Now you need to specify where your projectile is. So your projectile, I think you already made a prefab. So click and drag your projectile from there, and then drag it into Drag it into your turret.
So hold on. Delete.
Hmm. Okay, click on project. Click on turret 1 again.
Turret one.
On the hierarchy. Yeah. No, sorry, turret. Just turret. The other one. Yeah. Scroll down on the hierarchy, on the inspector. On the inspector, on the right-hand side, scroll down. Okay, click and drag your projectile into the where it says non-projectile.
Uh,
So the projectile from the bottom, yeah, click and drag that. Yeah, there. Okay, now right-click on your turret on the left-hand side.
am I supposed to add the barrel or?
Yeah. Okay, so left. Hold on. I'll right-click on the turret on the left-hand side on the hierarchy. So the turret that's on the scene. Yeah, right-click and then create empty. Okay, press W. Okay, and then place it next to where it's going to be shooting from. So you can zoom in and then kind of fix it. Or you can press F, whichever one's easier. There, that's fine. Okay. Okay, now rename this object as barrel.
Rename. Barrel.
Okay, now go to your turret and click and drag that barrel into barrel. So click on turret. No. Click on turret.
Yep.
Okay, click and drag barrel into barrel on the bottom. Bottom right. That's it. And then scroll all the way up on our script. And then click on overrides and apply all. Overrides and apply all. Yep. And now press play. Make sure to delete that turret later. Yeah, just click.
Yeah.
Okay, so it is creating a projectile. It's just back. Stop playing.
Okay.
Yeah, can you click on your projectile? Okay, scroll down, change the order and layer. Scroll down on the inspector. Too much. Yeah, it says right there, order and layer to 0. Give it a 1 or 2, whichever one. Just press play and it should work. Okay. All right. So let's see. Everyone is on.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Okay, Parashar.
Sorry.
Okay, should I share?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so when I play, it just looks like really funny. It just hits everything.
Oh, I see what's going on. Wait, where's your? Okay, so your enemies do have rigid bodies and everything, so they are being hit. So what's the problem? Sorry.
I don't know. No, like the bullet just goes crazy. It's not the barrel. I think the barrel I can fix. That's easy. But then it just
okay. The problem with yours is that your turret, your art is not in the correct spot. So click and drag your turret out. That's the preview. We don't care about the preview.
Oh.
Fernando, if I don't have any problems, can I go?
Yeah, I just saw the time. Yeah. Yeah, actually, I had an announcement for next week. So next week, I'm gonna give you guys an assignment. So next week, I would like you guys to implement a shop. So we already did shops 3 weeks ago with the shop system. So I would like you guys to connect that shop system into this one, where you have different turrets. Well, you don't have to do different turrets. I just want you to do one turret, and then a purchasing thing where every time you purchase a turret, the money goes down until you have 0 and you can't purchase anymore. So it's going to be, like I said, it's going to be exactly what we did on the last time, except instead of 3D, now it's 2D. Okay. Does anyone have any questions?
I've never.
Aside from not doing it, you guys got it?
I got one.
Wait, so is this due tomorrow? Okay.
It's due next week.
Okay.
The reason why, because I think next week. Next week.
After
Yeah.
Can I ask my question?
Yeah. What's your question? Sorry.
Yeah, it's fine. So, basically, when I do mine, here, can I just share my screen? It looks really odd.
Is it a problem?
Yeah, it's a problem.
Oh,
Alright,
okay.
I'm gonna
Just hold
go.
on. We'll do that after class. Yeah. There's other students that need to go.
Oh,
So
really?
yeah. So remember, that's your assignment. I will email you guys today about the assignment, and then I'll see you guys next Friday with the assignment. Okay.
All right, sounds good.
Okay.
All right.
Thank
have
you.
Remember,
Okay, bye.
the videos are online, so you guys can just see the. Or
So
sorry,
just
you
go
guys
to
can
the
just-
shop system, and then we can replay this one if needed, and then it should be okay, right?
Okay.
All right.
You guys will have some problems because it's not the same, but it's basically the same. But it's
Okay.
just that's in 3D. You just have to do it in 2D.
Okay.
Yeah, you guys will figure it out. It's easy.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys.
Thank you.
Bye.
Yeah, for the ones that still have problems and questions, just stay. I'll be happy to help you guys. Okay. So let me help Parashar first. Okay, Parashar.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, you saw what it was, right? So
Okay.
join it again.
So click on your barrel. Sorry. Which one's your main turret? The actual turret.
It's this one. Like this
Okay,
is the one
that's
that's
your-
on. This doesn't
wait, you
have like anything.
wait. What? Oh, I see. Can you click on your game object? On your sprite. Oh, perfect. There's your stuff. Okay. So luckily you can fix this problem because when you make a turret, the turret always has to be facing to the. Oh, when you make an object, it always has to be facing right because that's positive Z. So rotate your game object until it's facing exactly to the right. Yeah. So you can punch in a number like 45 degrees, maybe? No, 50. Try 50. Negative 50, sorry. Does that look straight? Maybe negative 60? You just try one minute. I think it's negative
Yeah,
60.
it's just 60.
Yeah, okay, perfect. So negative 60, okay, and then just apply all. Your turret should apply all. Oh, sorry, change your barrel. Change your barrel. Move your barrel. Yeah. Press W and then move it to the...
Oh, it's because I rotated it. Okay.
Yeah, and then make sure it's 0. Yeah. Okay, now apply all and then try it out. Okay.
And then should I delete it from here, right?
Yeah.
Oh no.
When your computer starts to hiccup, you're like, no, I did not save my code.
Yeah. Yeah, that looks
Is
a
it
lot
better
better.
now?
But okay, now the rigid body, right?
Yeah, the rigid body stuff, that's something we're going to fix next time.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. So
Okay.
you know your assignment, so that's due next week. So we're not going to do shops tomorrow. We're going to do health.
Mhm.
All right, take care,
Okay,
Parashar. Next, Reese.
Thank you.
All right, cool. I'm kind of in a hurry. So, basically, here, I'll just share my screen because it's kind of hard to explain. Okay. So, basically, everything's working fine, but whenever hold on, wait for it to shoot. Why isn't it shooting? What? It's not. All right. Well, whatever. You saw it right there. Like,
Okay. One thing, I think your speed is too high.
Right.
So just tone down your speed instead of 120. Do like
80,
no, still too high. Do 15.
15.
Yeah.
What's the name for 425?
Yeah, because I had the wrong settings. It's supposed to go fast.
Oh, but it's still shooting like really fast.
Okay, then reduce the speed instead of 15. Do like
2.
5. Okay, 2.
I'll try it.
Oh, I know
Oh,
what you're doing.
I get
Wait, hold
it.
on.
So this barrel is the one that's actually correct, and then all these other ones are like.
Yes. I was just gonna tell you, you're changing a copy of the object, not the main object. So just click on overrides and apply all. Yeah, and then change your speed back to like, I don't know, 10.
5 or
Okay.
10. That works.
Yeah, just press apply all again. Overrides apply all.
Oh no! Oh my gosh! Why do I keep doing that? All right.
Okay, now you should see the bullets. Nice.
That's good.
Okay.
All right, and only thing left is basically that happens kind of.
Yeah, because you have box colliders, rigid bodies, and these turrets are also they're not supposed to collide with each other. So to fix that, go to edit in the top left menu, all the way in the top. Sorry, the top. Yeah, edit, project settings. All the way in the bottom. Go down. Yeah, project settings. Yeah, and then scroll down, and then uncheck turret and turret. Yeah, and then check turret and default. I don't know why that's checked off. Yeah. Okay, and then close it. And press play. Yeah, and now it shouldn't. Actually, it's still gonna collide, I think, because your bullets are not in the same. They're basically in the same layer.
They do collide.
They do still collide.
Wait, now my enemies aren't spawning.
Did you do something? What did you do?
I didn't do anything.
Okay, stop playing. Stop playing.
All I did was just change the speed and delete the copy, whatever.
Okay, click on path. Click on path A.
Path A.
Okay. Well, actually, let's click on your enemy. I think the information's in your enemy.
Is it enemy?
Okay. No, that's not an enemy.
Oh.
It's just enemy 1, and then.
There it is.
The circles in it. No, that's a picture of a circle.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, just click on one of those little soldiers. Yeah, those are the guys. Okay, scroll down. Too much. Scroll up. Scroll slowly. Scroll slowly. Yeah. No, keep going down. Go down. Okay, follow path. Okay. And then rigid body 0. Okay, can you scroll back up? Let's go down. Go to the sprite render information. Order in layers 1. Oh, that's interesting. It's not spawning yet. Can you press play again?
Oh, I think it's because it just spawned. I think it's because the barrel's killing all the enemies before they can spawn.
It is.
That's why. All right,
Yeah,
so what should I do?
Yeah, just delete that turret. Underneath that turret.
Just from the hierarchy, or?
Yeah, just delete it from the hierarchy. Yeah. Delete.
All right.
Yeah. Now press play. Now your enemy should spawn normally. Yeah.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, you push him off course.
Get away. Hot, you dead. All right. Thank you.
Of course. That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
All right, awesome. Yeah, make sure you save your stuff before you lose it. All right. Let's Bryce. Okay. So what's the problem?
It's not shooting. It's just shooting like a couple.
Oh, I see. Okay. To fix that problem, let's stop playing, and we need to fix something in the code. So let's open up. What is the code we did? Turret shooting. So I think you already have it open. The code we were editing. Yeah. Okay. Let's hold on. Okay. So let's go to the line where it says get component rigid body 2D, add force. So change the word forward. So it's almost the last word at in that line. Your mouse is like right over. Yeah. No, forward. You see the word forward all the way to the end. There's a line above it. Yeah, all the way to the end.
Yeah.
Yeah. Change that from forward to right. RIGHT. Yep. Save it, and then let's go back, and it should work. Okay, now press play. Let's see if it works.
Time to be frozen, Unity. Okay, just unfroze. And it's loading. Okay, here we go. Oh, and also, I've never made a shot before, so...
Okay, it looks like your bullet speed is too high. Stop playing. Click on one of your turret, and let's reduce the speed. So, click on it, yeah, and scroll down.
Oh, it's 200.
Yeah, 200 is too much. Do, like... Yeah, that's fine. 15 is fine. Try it out. Is that better?
That's still too fast.
Okay, then
Trying 2 next.
okay.
Yeah, 2's good. You think that's good? Or-
Yeah, that looks good. Or maybe just a little bit higher because the bullets are just like maybe do 10.
I had 4 for now. I changed the frequency too. Hold on. Change it back to 1. You know what? I'll just say like 7.5 or something. Do that. What is this? Hold on. Stop. Delete.
Make sure you're careful not to delete the actual turret, or else you won't see the. Which one? Okay, click on your main camera.
Main camera. Yeah.
Yeah, and see what turret you're. Okay, looks like you're using turret parentheses 1. So just delete the one that just says just turret. No, not that one. The one on top. Yeah, that one. Delete that one.
There.
Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
They just like spin back. They don't even go off it. They don't even like die though.
Yeah, it's not programmed to die yet.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. You have any more questions?
Yeah, I've never made a shop, so.
A shop? Oh, okay. I can give you the link to the video, and you can just look at the video or follow the project along, and then you'll get a sense of how we did the shop, and you can try implementing it on the Unity